A metal plate is exposed to light with a wavelength lambda. It is observed that electrons are ejected from the surface of the plate when a retarding uniform electric field E is imposed. No electron can move away from the plate further than a certain distance d. Then the threshold wavelength lambda naught for the material of the plate is given. E is the electronic charge, h is equal to the Planck's constant, and c is the speed of the light. Now, as per the given question, we know W is equal to, this is hc by lambda minus hc by lambda naught. But from definition of the potential, V is equal to W by Q, or instead of Q, E. W is equal to VE. So therefore E into V naught is a potential. So hc by lambda minus hc by lambda naught. But we know the relation between E, V, D. E is equal to V by D, or V is equal to ED. Therefore, E into D, which is equal to hc by lambda minus hc by lambda naught. So this is hc by lambda naught, which is equal to hc by lambda minus E, capital E into D. Therefore 1 by lambda naught is equal to 1 by lambda minus EED by HC, or lambda naught is equal to 1 by lambda minus E into capital E into D by HC, or lambda naught is equal to 1 by lambda minus EED by HC whole power minus 1. So second option is the right option.